Hello everyone, this is Sonam Sandhu from PTE Made Easy. And in this video, I'm going to tell you something very important. Actually, when it comes to PTE speaking module, you simply need to focus on just a few tasks in order to score 80 plus. In this video, I'll also be sharing and I'll also be disclosing one such task which can actually be skipped. And then also you can score easily 80 plus. So now watch this video until the end. It will help you guys a lot. And if you want me to shoot this video in Hindi language as well, do let me know in the comment section. Let's get started. Before starting, there is one thing which I would like to mention. If you want to score well in your PTE exam, you simply need to follow the right strategy and the right person. So that means PTE AASAAN hai. Just follow me. Now, let's get started. When it comes to PT speaking module, there are total of 6 tasks. Out of all the tasks, we need not to focus on every single. First of all, the most important task here is PT speaking read aloud. Here you get a text, basically 3 to 4 lines text, and you have to read that text aloud. You get time for preparation as well. So you simply look at the text, you simply go through the pronunciation, you just do the practice, and later on you have to speak it aloud. As the name suggests, read aloud, read it aloud. Okay. Now it is going to give you 25 marks for speaking module and 25 marks for reading as well. It is for all those who find reading module scary. If reading module is scary for you, focus on read aloud of speaking. This will give you 25 marks for reading too. Now, after this read aloud task, we have another task. This is something which cannot be skipped, and that is repeat sentence. If you do this task properly, you can easily score 30 to 32 marks in PT speaking. Now, in this repeat sentence, you simply get a sentence. So, you listen to the sentence and then you have to speak up. Here, you will not get the text. You will simply get to listen to a sentence. Once you have listened to the sentence, you simply, what do you need to? You need to repeat the sentence. You'll speak up whatever they have spoken. So simply repeat the sentence. This will help you guys a lot in scoring well in your PT speaking exam. Coming to the third important task, and that is retell lecture. It contributes to just 10 marks, but still it is important because we have to score 80 plus. If the target had been like 70 plus, I would have asked you to skip this task. But now the target is 80 plus, so please do not skip it. Retell lecture. Here you get a lecture and you have to explain the lecture. Okay, that is like retell lecture. And here you get 10 marks for this part. Coming to the fourth one, which is describe image. Recently only I uploaded one video related to bar graph template. So in that video, I have shared the template which can easily be used for bar, line, pie and tabular. So one same template can be used for all the 4 charts. So that is PT speaking describe image, and I have templates for every single question type for describe image. If you want help like such, simply contact us on the number given below. Now, this is describe image and it is going to give you 20 marks. Now, we have talked about total of 4 tasks until now, but there is one more, and that is short question answers. This is something which can actually be skipped. If you want to score 90, practice only 50 questions of short questions. Otherwise, you can simply skip it for 80 plus. Now, out of these all, the most important one is read aloud. After read aloud, I would like to you to focus on repeat sentence and practice as many questions as possible. I would say 20 questions a day. If you practice, you will easily score 80 plus. Now, apart from this, we have retell lecture, which can easily be done. You watch my video related to retell lecture, you will get to know. And last is describe image. And for the describe image part, I have shared the templates for every single question type. So don't worry about it. That I'm pretty sure you are going to conquer. Last but not the least, short question answers can definitely be skipped. So basically, the crux is if we focus on only these 4, read aloud, repeat sentence, retell lecture, and describe image, we can easily score 80 plus. So please focus on these 4 and go through my videos on every single task. This will help you a lot in scoring well. That's all for this video, and if you like this video, share it with others.